And now news from sports. It was indeed a huge moment for two Goan teenage footballers. On Saturday, club president Dempo unveiled Aniston Fernandes and Jensley Fernandes. The 18-year-old duo have been selected by the Dempo Sports Club coaching staff headed by Armando Colasso. The Dempo juniors will be leaving for Denmark by the second week of February for a quarter-year stint with Danish side FC Midtylland. Head of FCM's Football Academy in Denmark, Klaus Steinlein, has assured no cakewalk for the two Goan boys, but has promised to return them not only as better footballers but better human beings as well. This is the start of a new era in Indian club football.
On Saturday, it was a monumental leap that Indian and Goan football took. Club President Dempo announced two promising footballers would be rewarded with a stint at FC Midtylland's Football Academy in Denmark.
We have already agreed with FC Midtylland that two of our boys are going to go to the academy in the next 2 months. And they are going to have a 3-month stint in FC Midtylland Academy, Youth Academy. The names of the boys are Myron Manuel Fernandes, who is a striker. He's from Mapsa and he's 18 years of age. And the second one is Aniston Fernandes, who is a midfielder and who is from Salsette and is again 18 years of age.
Aniston and Jensley Fernandes are both very keen on this dream come true opportunity, while Klaus Steinlein is going to be all business with the Goan duo and enhance their skills.
Well, it's a great opportunity for us. We have to do best out of it. We're trying to see how it works over there.
What about you?
Yeah, the same. It's a great opportunity for us to go there. We'll work hard over there.
कितें दिसता तुका एक दीस तूं चॅम्पियन्स लीगान खेळटलो घोडे एक AC मिलानाची जर्सी घालून किंवा बार्सेलोनाचे घालून कितें कशें दिसता तुका you dreaming those days already?
Yeah, obviously. Every footballer does.
Yeah, the same. Every footballer does.
What plan do you have for them when you're going to take them to Denmark? Because obviously it's going to be serious business football when they come to Denmark. It's going to be cold, as you said.
First of all, it's important to work hard. You know, to get next level is tough work, and they will some days maybe go in the bed and cry a little bit and say, oh, it's funny to stay in Denmark, but it's also hard. And then we make a program where we test them physical, mentally. We will play matches against European clubs so we can see the level with the European clubs, with the guys. And then we will improve them, tell them about the Danish culture, the European culture. So not only education in football, but education the whole person. So they will go a little bit in school too, because we think it's important to learn the European culture to be a part of the football team.
Dempo also told press persons a few FCM players could play for Dempo next year, as both clubs are in talks on the same.
Dempos are keenly looking at new recruits from the FC Midtylland Academy, be it either in Denmark or in Nigeria, for the next year's I-League. And Klaus and Armand are going to work discussing how we can do it and how that is possible. We are very, very keenly awaiting that a couple of recruits come from these academies to really bolster the team in the next year.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Demdr Gaonkar.
Aniston and Jensley will leave by the second week of February for Denmark. Good news for fans of Dempo Sports Club, as from now on, club's faithfuls can get closer to Dempo. The Blues launched their club's official website, club anthem and merchandise following the youth development announcement. The merchandise will be on sale from Sunday at Dempo's home match at the Fatorda Stadium. Fans can visit the club's website at www.demposportsclub.com.
The duo of Anit Coutinho and Joel D'Souza are the brains behind Dempo Sports Club's new look, thanks to the club's attractive website. The website includes user-friendly widgets, which include home, the club's profile, recent tie-ups and exchange program details with FC Midtylland, and a host of other information. The website is also linked to social networking sites like Facebook and Twitter to enhance fan following.
The fan club, of course, is a special privilege zone where once you're a member of the Dempo Sports fan club, you'll probably get newsletters, you'll get various invites, passes, things like that to the games.
Fans such as Anthony who've been with us for many, many years. And I said, what better way than to make them feel that the club belongs more to them than to the Dempo family. I think that's the first step that we have realized and taken, that the club needs a larger support base. I think football in Goa has traditionally been promoted by a few families, and I think it's now time to move on. The whole idea is to make it a 24/7 website. We don't want it to be a stagnated website. We don't want a week-old information just floating around there. And I know it's a challenge, but we are trying to solve that.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Also log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook as well at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.